Hey everyone, it's Paolo here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 in 30 days with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So I'm super excited because in this video, I'm going to show you 2 simple steps that you will do so you can have your own affiliate marketing campaign that can generate up to $10,000 in the next 30 days. Now, before I show you the steps, let me go ahead and show you some of my personal results in case you're asking why do you need to listen to me and who I am. So my name is Paolo Beringel and I've been an affiliate marketer since 2011, and I've been a super affiliate for many years. And you can see just in one of my affiliate account right here on the screen. This particular account, as you can see, the lifetime earnings for this particular account is $97,504 US. And this is just one of my affiliate accounts. I have a lot of other affiliate accounts. I have a lot smaller accounts, bigger accounts that have generated more than 6 figures in affiliate marketing. And this is just one of them. So what I would like to do now is basically the purpose of this video is to help you set up your affiliate marketing campaign. And I've helped a lot of students as well. So let me go ahead and show you some of the students that I've helped, so you can also see that before I show you the steps, you can also see that the exact system that you will use on this video, this is the exact system that these other students are using, and now they're making these commissions with affiliate marketing. So you can see this member, Melissa, she posted it in the community. She said she made $600 in one day, which is pretty awesome. And so far for the month, she's already at $13,398 US in commissions, which is pretty awesome. So if your goal is to make $10,000 in the next 30 days, it's achievable because we already have these members who are making this kind of commissions as well. So we have this member, Wendy, you can see it here, ending the day with a total of $2,450 in one day. And we have this member, she made $300, and so far she already made $1,059. Another member, Allison, she made $17,800 in 1 month. And then we have this other member, $10,400 in 23 days. So that's what I mean. If your goal is to make $10,000 in 1 month in the next 30 days, it's achievable because we also have these members who are making these commissions. So what I would like to do now is show you the steps that you need to do. Okay, so step number 1, if you want to get started with this particular affiliate marketing business, there's 2 simple steps, really simple steps that you need to do. And just a disclaimer, the initial capital required to get started with this particular campaign, this particular business, you need at least $900 plus the $29 website admin fee. And the earnings potential is that whenever you make a sale, which I'm going to show you how you can do that, you can make up to $900 commission. Just one sale can make you $900 commission. So as soon as you make your first sale and then the next sale, basically you're already in profit. Okay, so break even and then you're already in profit, as you can see in the testimonial. So this is exactly what you need to do. Step number 1 is to get the system. So below this video, below on the page where you're watching this video, there should be a couple of buttons below this video. All you need to do is simply follow the steps that I'm asking you to do. Okay, so below this video, there should be a button. And then what you need to do is you click on that button on step number 1 so you can get the system. So when you click on step number 1, get the system, you will be taken to this page right here. And what I need you to do, so the program that we are promoting is called the Legacy Builders Program. So this is basically the program / mentoring / system that we are using. So basically what you do is once you pay the $900 and then $29 admin fee, you will be able to straight away get a copy of the system that we're using, and then you get the mentoring as well from the creator of the system. But most importantly, you automatically qualify to make up to $900 in commission with affiliate marketing. Okay, so basically what you do is you click on this button that says yes, get access to Legacy Builders now, and then it will take you to the order form. So this is where you will be able to order the Legacy Builder program. So what you need to do on this page, complete the form and then select the payment method. Okay, so you can pay via PayPal, via Stripe, or via Wise. So you click any of this button, it will take you to the payment form. If you're using Wise, you can select whether you want to use your credit card or bank transfer. You just simply follow the steps. Once you complete the payment, it will take you to the next page, which is the one-time payment of $29 admin fee. Because what will happen is you will be getting the same website that we're using, the same system that we're using, so you don't need to build this website from scratch. You don't need to write the emails from scratch. Basically, you will get the same emails that we're using, just need to complete the payment. Once you complete the payment, you are now able to log in into your system and then complete the setup. Once you complete the setup, essentially what will happen is you will now be able to get a copy of this page. So this is the exact page that you will get as an affiliate. So this is exactly what will happen, right? So this is the blueprint right here. So the traffic, okay, so the traffic, I will show you how to get this promotion, this traffic. This traffic will go to your lead capture page and thank you page, the autoresponder, and the emails that goes to your affiliate link. So essentially, this system right here, this entire blueprint, when you pay the $900 and the $29 admin fee, you already have the same system, this complete system right here. So now you have a copy of this exact page. Okay, so this page right here. So now what will happen is when you start promoting your link, which I'm going to show you later in the video, people will go to this page. Again, you don't need to build this page from scratch. You will get access to this page straight away. When people go to this page because they also want to make $10,000 in 30 days, okay, so they put their email address, they click on yes, get my blueprint now. They will be taken to the next page where they will meet the creator of the system, Michelle. So she will do the explanation and all the selling and all the telling. This video will do all the selling and telling. You don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone. You don't need to, pester your friends on social media, because this video will do the selling and telling. And then basically when people click on yes, I'm ready to have successful business now, they will go to the same page. Okay, so this page right here. Now this is going to be your affiliate link. When people click on yes, I want to get Legacy Builders, they will order. Once they make the order, then that commission will go straight to your bank account, which is pretty awesome. So now you're probably asking, so how do you promote this link right here? If you're a complete beginner, no social media followers, no email subscribers, how do you promote? So this is where you will go to step number 2, which is get your traffic package. So what you do is, again, below the video, there should be a button that says step number 2. When you click on that button, it will take you to this traffic agency, which is the affiliate marketing traffic agency. So this traffic agency, basically what you want to do is select the traffic package that you want to purchase so you can promote your link on Google, YouTube, or Meta, or Facebook. And essentially, you just need to select the package, right? So depending on your budget, it's entirely up to you. The smallest package is $200. You will get 50 traffic campaign, which means 50 people will go to this page right here. Again, you don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone because a traffic agency will do the advertising on your behalf. So people will go to this page. Now, if you want to be more aggressive, you can go for the higher packages as well. Okay, so you can go for the 500 buyers traffic campaign. The biggest package you can buy is the 1,000 buyers traffic campaign. It's a one-time payment of $2,000. It's entirely up to you. So basically, once you select the package, once you complete the payment, the next step is that you message me on my Facebook. So below this video, Again, there's a button, so you can click on the button so you can message me on my Facebook page and then give me your affiliate link. Once you give me your affiliate link, because this traffic agency, I own this traffic agency, once you have given me your affiliate link, what will happen now is that because I already have the campaign running, now I just have to redirect the traffic to your affiliate link, to your lead capture page. I hope that's making sense. So now what will happen is once you have completed step number 1 and step number 2, step number 3 is to get your $900 commissions over and over. So basically what will happen, once the campaign goes live, again, I will be doing the advertising because we already have the campaign on Facebook, on Google, and YouTube. Once the campaign is live, this traffic, these people from social media, from Facebook, Google, and YouTube, these people will now go to your lead capture page, this page right here. So people go to this page. Again, you don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone. You don't need to know who these people are. Once you purchase a traffic package, the traffic agency will do the advertising on your behalf. People go to this page, they put their email, they click on yes, get my blueprint now. They go to the next page. The video from Michelle, who created the system, will do the selling and telling. People click on the button, they go to this page, and then they click on this button because this is now going to be your affiliate link. Whenever people purchase, that is how you make that $900 commissions over and over. So if we do the math, you can see it here. If you make 1 sale per day, that's $900 times 30 days consistently. You can potentially make up to $27,000 per month. Now, if you're consistent, you make 2 sales a day, that's $1,800 times 30 days, then you can potentially earn $54,000 per month, which is achievable because we have other members who are already making this kind of commissions. And as you can see in my account, I already made $97,504 in my account, which is pretty awesome. And today, you have the opportunity to basically copy and paste our campaign. And all you need to do, again, watch this video again, and then below this video, there should be the buttons. There should be the buttons below. You can click on the buttons, follow the instructions that I gave you, and then set up your system, get the traffic package, and then message me on my Facebook page. And once the campaign is live, you should be able to get this big $900 commissions over and over, same as these other members who are already making this kind of commission. So you can see here, right? This member, she made $1,800 in 1 day, $1,650 1 day. That's another $600. We have this member, $1,000 a day. Again, this member, 23 days, $10,400. And today you have the opportunity to copy and paste the exact campaign that we are running. Again, all you need to do is click the buttons below, follow the instructions that I showed you, and then message me on Facebook so you can give me your link. And then once the campaign is live, you should be able to receive the leads, and then you should start getting the $900 commissions over and over. If you have any questions, you can also message me on my Facebook page, the link or the button. Click the button below, connect with me on Facebook. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Otherwise, all the links, all the buttons are below this video, so you can sign up with Legacy Builders, set up your system, and then buy the traffic package from the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency, and then message me on Facebook so I can start promoting your link. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the community. And most importantly, I look forward to seeing your testimonial when you start getting these big $900 commissions over and over with Legacy Builders. And I look forward to hearing your success story inside the community. So thank you for watching. Again, all the buttons, the links are below this video. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.